Welcome to another video in my course about microservice entitled Fault Tolerant Circuit Breaker Design Pattern with hystrix-dashboard. In this video, we will learn how to enable hystrix-dashboard to monitor the status and hystrix metrics of each microservices in real time using Turbine. Here's how to enable the hystrix-dashboard. Number 1. Add a dependency to Spring Cloud Starter Netflix Hystrix dashboard to the project. Number 2. Annotate the Spring Boot class with @enable hystrix dashboard. Number 3. The hystrix stream is available by the /actuator/hystrix.stream. Number 4. While the hystrix dashboard is at /hystrix. Now let's look at the code. This is how our current Spring Boot class should look like. It should have an annotation. It should have these annotations. @enable fain clients, @enable hystrix, @enable hystrix dashboard. And then let's run and do some testing. Again, our setup is that we have node 1 and node 2. In node 1, we are running the Spring Boot config, or we are running the Terra Warehouse config project, as well as the service discovery and load balancer. And this is node 2 where I'm doing the demonstration. I'm currently running the catalog and inventory microservices, as well as the business API. And to actually do the testing, I have prepared a Postman collection available in the catalog project under the source, test, resources folder. Now let's check at the hystrix URL. Again, the stream is available by the actuator /hystrix that stream. We need this because we will be using that value and input it into the hystrix dashboard in the Turbine URL. And after pasting it, click the monitor stream, and we should have this is statistics. Because I have already run some tests earlier, I have these methods, which is the catalog service proxy that find all categories, find by product ID, and the inventory service proxy that find by product ID. Now let's open the Postman collection in Postman application. Once we open it, we should be able to see the screen and click the run button here. We should arrive into this window. In your case, if it's your first time, you should see a run button here. In my case, since I've already run it earlier, I have retry. Now I will click retry. And we should see some statistics or some values changing here. The green above, look at the green values above. It changed from 0 to 1, 1 because we got a request coming to this method, and this method, and this method, which is find by product ID. All we have are requests that have succeeded because our microservices are all running. Now let's terminate the Terra Warehouse catalog. Check it in Eureka. We should wait until the register itself. Or actually, we can run that as now because it's now terminated. Going back to the Postman collection, go to the inventory folder, and under inventory look for composer and open the find stocks by product ID. This request goes or calls the API that we have in the business API project, which is the product stock gateway controller that proxy the request to the catalog and inventory microservice. Now let's run this test. And we should see Now this is orange because it thought that the service is still available because it haven't deregistered itself. Oh, now it deregistered itself. Now let's run again the test, and we should be able to see a red value like this one. Alright, again, if your microservice hasn't deregistered itself yet with the Eureka, the value you will see, the request comes into the orange section, because that means that it's still available, but it's now being terminated, or it's still registered with Eureka, but with the red, it means that it's already deregistered, like that one. And I think that's it for this video. I hope you learned something from what I've shared, something that you can use in your career. And please help me promote this channel by subscribing and hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload the next one. So most probably I'll do a video about Docker and Kubernetes and how to do automated deployment. Again, thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!